Discord mic issues often stem from a few key areas. First, check your input device in Discord's voice settings. Ensure the correct microphone is selected. An outdated Discord app can cause problems, so make sure you're running the latest version. Sometimes it's as simple as incorrect audio settings in Windows or Mac OS. Discord might not have permission to access your microphone. Hardware problems, like a faulty USB connection or a broken mic, are also possibilities. Background processes or other applications using your mic can also create interference and prevent Discord from accessing the input. Start by restarting Discord and your computer to clear any temporary issues. Navigate to Discord's user settings, then voice and video. Double-check your input device, input volume, and try the mic test feature. Go to your operating system's sound settings. For Windows, open the Sound Control panel and select the Recording tab. For macOS, go to System Preferences, Sound, and select the Input tab. In both cases, select your microphone, ensure it's enabled, and set it as the default device. In Windows Privacy Settings, under Microphone, confirm that Allow Apps to Access Your Microphone is enabled and that Discord is listed in Allowed. Update your audio drivers through your computer's device manager or manufacturer's website. Try using Discord in your web browser to rule out app-specific issues. Finally, test your microphone with another application to check for hardware failure.